Did I just turn my hair purple? I think it did. Hey guys, welcome back to 2019. You should have seen me like trying to accommodate myself since I haven't really sat here and filmed for like a while. The last videos were vlogs and those were since before Christmas. So you should have seen me trying to like accommodate everything here. I feel like so weird. All right, so let's get to it. Welcome to 2019, guys. It's the new year. I can't even handle that it's already 2019. I'm pretty sure everybody else says this, but I can't. Like it's so crazy. Time is flying by. Today's January 3rd. It's already the third day of the new year. It's incredible. Like time is just flying by, guys. I want to start off by wishing you guys an amazing year full of blessings and health and happiness and abundance for 2019, and just know that I love you guys, and that's it. So let's just jump right into this video. I'm tired of saying that. Let's just jump right into this video. Okay, so I have for you guys today this huge box from Influenster. So this is the new Influencer's Reviewer's Choice winners. So these are like the best in beauty of Influencer, if I say that correctly. This is the most reviewed, top rated, best in beauty from influencer.com. And I'm really pissed off because you can see my ring light in the mirror. This has never been an issue. Now it's an issue. Like, oh my God. Anyhow, so we're just gonna move on. So it comes in this huge box. This box was running for $50. I was able to get it for $40. So I decided to go ahead and get it. So I'm gonna share with you guys what's in here. When you open it up, it pretty much comes in like this huge, this weighs a lot. This huge, like messy ordeal here. All right, so the first thing is inside of this Ziploc bag. And then when you open it up, you get a Not Your Mother's Beach Babe texturizing sea salt spray. I've used this before and it hasn't really been my favorite, to tell you the truth. When I think of Beach Babe, I want those like really wet, nice curls that look like I just came out of the water or the beach, whatever. And I don't really get that too much with this, but I don't mind trying it again. The next thing in here is the Pond's Dry Skin Cream Rich Hydrating Facial Moisturizer. I'm not a huge fan. I know a lot of people love Pond's and they love like their makeup remover. I am not that much of a fan of it, to tell you guys the truth. I just don't like soapy kind of cleansers, like facial cleansers, not facial cleansers, makeup removers. I don't like those kinds. So I don't know about this. This is a cream, so maybe this will be nice. The next thing in here, I've tried this before. This is the NYX Matte Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. We also have a Tree Hut Shea Sugar Scrub in Coconut Lime. I want to smell this. It looks like green slime. Oh. Ooh, this smells really good. This makes me ready for summer. Guys, tell me if this happens to you or not. It's so bittersweet taking off like Christmas decorations, and this year I have felt like everybody's putting out Valentine's stuff even like before New Year's. That's like a little bit too much for me. Like that's a little bit too much for me. Like I was putting up Valentine's Day stuff today and I was still kind of like, oh my God, like this is too much. But I love Valentine's, so having things up for a little over a month, I'm gonna like it. But it was so bittersweet taking down the Christmas stuff. I don't know if that happens to you guys, but I love this. This is Origin's Ginseng Refreshing Eye Cream. A little like mini size. And then this, the Jergens Natural Glow Gradually Creates Flawless Natural Looking Color. It's a daily moisturizer. It's a moisturizer with color, kind of. So like it gradually gives you like a, not a spray tan, like, oh my God, I can't talk. Like those tans that you do at home, like a spray tan, okay? Like a spray tan. This is for fair to medium skin tones. I've never used these. Like, I've never used, like, the self tanners. I'm, like, a little afraid to. I don't know why. But, yeah, maybe I'll give that a try. Okay, I should have probably started with this. There's a little booklet in here. It's the most reviewed, yeah, the same thing that I just read to you. It's like a little huge pamphlet. And then the co-founder and president of Influencer says, what makes Influencers Beauty Awards unique is that they're truly by the people, for the people. 6 million beauty reviews in the past year determine our reviewers' choice winners, and we can't wait to share some of them with you. Yeah, so they pretty much tell you, you know, to post it, and then they tell you every single thing that is in this box. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the little pamphlet. Next thing I'm super excited about because I've always wanted this, always. And this is the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in the color Lolita. Okay, I've always wanted this so bad. So this is what it looks like, and I'm gonna swatch it. This is a color that is so me. It's so up my alley. This is so me. Like, I can't get over it. So I'm so excited to finally have this. I cannot wait to use this. Next thing in here is from a brand that I recently tried this year and I actually do really like. It's Love Beauty and Planet, and this is the body lotion in coconut water and mimosa flower. And this was so recommended by Vanessa from Vad is Rad. I love her. And she recommended this like crazy. And I finally got like the little sample bottles in a Target box, I think it was, if I'm not mistaken. Smells so good. I got the shampoo and conditioner samples, and then now this is the body lotion. And she says that this is the best smell, and she's totally right because I smelled all the other ones in store, and this is the best one. So I'm hoping that I'm loving this. I'm gonna love this body lotion because you guys know my issue with the lotions. All right, this is from Oribe, and this is the dry texturizing spray. I've tried this. I don't really have like a concrete review on this, so I don't know what to say about it, but a lot of people love this. Another thing from Origins, oh, it's another refreshing eye cream, but this one is a little bit bigger. It's like in a little square pot apparently. So cute. This cream is good. I like it. It's a good brand. All right, from Laura Mercier. This is the Translucent Loose Setting Powder and Mini Velour Puff. So that's what that looks like. Let me pull it out so you can see. So this is the little puff. And this is the translucent powder. Pretty sure you guys know what that looks like or have seen it before. Next thing in here is from Kula, and a lot of people like this. And this is the sunscreen, their classic sunscreen, and it's an SPF 50, which is good. And it says moisturizer, so I guess it's sunscreen that's moisturizing too, which is good. I'm kind of glad I got this. This is such a pretty little tube. I love the packaging. Oh, and it's in white tea. So let's smell this. Well, this smells really good. Oh my God, why did I squirt that out? This smells nice. It smells good. This I'm happy I got because I just ran out of it and I have to repurchase. This is the Purity Facial Cleanser from Philosophy. I love this. Out of all the facial cleansers I have used, and I do like a lot of them, this is actually my favorite one. I just love it. I love the smell. I love how it feels on my skin. I absolutely love it. So I highly recommend this. Next thing is from Unique, and this is Moodstruck Epic Mascara. So this is a mascara, as mentioned, and it's nice and sealed. It's gonna be hard to open this. I like getting mascaras because trying mascaras and finding a nice one is always important. So this is it right here. Nice, sleek black packaging, and just a regular, normal bristle brush. And from Amika, this is the Perk Up Dry Shampoo. Now I want to talk about dry shampoo, guys. I don't know if this happens to you guys just like it does to me, but when it's spray dry shampoo, it makes my hair kind of oily. I don't know if that has happened to you guys too. Like, it'll be more refreshed for the moment. Let me see if this smells good. Oh, it smells really good too. This smells really good. So it'll be kind of refreshed for the moment, but then it will like kind of get more oily. And I've heard from Lauren from Little Blushing Birdie about the Cake Beauty like powdered dry shampoo. So I'm kind of wanting to try that out, but I'm so happy I got this because I just ran out of the last dry shampoo I had and I need to have that, you know. All right. So you also get, what is this? You also get like this little pamphlet from Unique talking about the mascara, and you also get a $5 coupon from Olia from Garnier. The next couple of things comes in this little packaging here, bubble wrap. So first thing we have is from Becca, and this is the Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed Powder in Vanilla Quartz. Let's open that up so you guys can see that. This is the typical Becca packaging, but miniature. So cute. I love little miniature things. I think it's adorable. And then, oh, this broke. That sucks. Okay, so this was it right here, but as you can see, it's broken. And it's like flying out. So yeah, sadly, that broke. Next thing in here is from ColourPop, which I believe also broke. And this is a Super Shock Shadow in the color Lightning Bug. And this color looks real pretty. That's the packaging for that. But I think it broke as well. It looks like it did. Oh my god, it's like stuck to the top, to the bottom. Oh my god, it completely came out of the pan. So I'll swatch it for you anyway, so you guys can see the color. It's like a beautiful copper, which kind of sucks because that's already 2 products. So it's like a beautiful orangey copper color. Next thing is still intact. This is from Wet n Wild, and this is the highlighting powder in the color Precious Petals. And you guys have definitely heard about this several times. I will open it so I can swatch that highlighter for you. So that's the highlighting powder right there. It's really beautiful. And this is the swatch on the finger, this one right here. And oh, I'm liking this. I'm definitely liking this because it's subtle, but it's gorgeous. Do you see that there? I'm hoping you guys can see that. It's like subtle, but it's beautiful. I really like that. And the last thing in that little bubble wrap is also intact, and I'm super happy about it. And this is the CoverGirl True Naked Chocoholic Chocolate Scented Eyeshadow Palette. This palette is really pretty. I'm loving those colors. Okay, I don't want to open this one. Maybe I'll use it like in an eye look or something, or I don't know yet. Maybe I'll do a giveaway. I don't know. But this is very beautiful. I'm really liking this. I love this. All right, we still have a couple of things. We have a huge Batiste dry shampoo, vibrant and fruity, and it says neon. Now, I'm not convinced. Wait. I'm confused about this because it says neon. Does this mean it sprays neon? Oh my god, what is that? I don't know. I don't know what they mean by neon. What do they mean by that? Should I spray my hair with it? There's no neon. Is there? Is that like what I think it is? Or is that just me? Okay, I don't know. Did that just turn my hair purple? I think it did. Well, the color here is purple. Did that just turn my hair purple? Do you guys see purple there? Or is that just me? Or is that my imagination? So this is dry shampoo, but apparently it turns your hair purple. Or I don't know what color it does it? Guys, you have to let me know because I don't really know what this just did. So yeah, we got that. And then we have a huge hairspray can from Tresemme, which is good. It's always good to have hairspray. And this is an extra firm control, all day humidity resistance. And then we have a couple other little things in this other Ziploc. This is the Alba Botanica Hawaiian Detox Warming Mud Mask. We have the apple cider vinegar scalp scrub with pink Himalayan sea salt. We also have from Garnier Fructis Color Vibrancy Treatment 1 Minute Hair Mask. These are good. I haven't tried this one yet. This one is in goji extract. And then last but not least, some other things in this little Ziploc, and that's the end of the unboxing. We have a Real Techniques sponge, Miracle Complexion Sponge, which you guys know I absolutely love, so I'm happy I got that. We have a Sunday Riley Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment. I've heard so many good things about this brand. I've been dying to try something from here, so hopefully this will be really, really good. It's super expensive though. It says deeply exfoliates the dull surface of the skin for clarity, radiance, and younger looking skin. So that, and then this, oh my God, I haven't used shaving cream in like more than a decade, I think. Like seriously, I just use like conditioner or soap, or body wash, and it works perfectly fine for me. I actually found, and I don't know if that happens with people that have sensitive skin or what it is, but I think shaving cream makes it kind of worse for me. I don't know. But do you guys remember this? The EOS Shave Cream and Moisturizer in Pomegranate Raspberry? Oh my God, I remember when this was so talked about on YouTube. Everybody, like all the beauty gurus were using this, and I remember that. Oh my God, it's so crazy. But guys, between these three things, I'm like in love. Like the Lolita, this one I'm gonna use even though it's like broken because it's really beautiful. Like the camera's not even picking up how gorgeous it is. And then the highlight, I'm loving it. It's like the most beautiful. It's a rose gold highlight. Like it's rose gold, and I love rose gold. It's beautiful, and it's so subtle, so it's not like, you know. Alright guys, so that is it for this unboxing. I hope you guys really enjoyed this. Let me know which one was your favorite product that I received in the box. Let me know if you think it was worth the $40 or the $50 that it actually cost. I love you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye, my loves.